Now that we have covered headings, let's move on to another fundamental HTML element, the paragraph. The paragraph tag in HTML is used to define a paragraph. It's one of the most basic ways to add text content to the web page. Each paragraph is enclosed within an opening and closing paragraph tag. Now that we have covered HTML paragraphs and how whitespace is handled, let's talk about some additional HTML tags that help with text formatting and layout. Horizontal rule, break, and pre-formatting. The horizontal rule tag is used to create an horizontal rule or line that visually separates content. It's a self-closing tag and doesn't require a closing tag. The break tag is used to insert a line break within text, allowing you to create a new line without starting a new paragraph. Like horizontal rule tag, it is also a self-closing tag. The pre-formatting tag preserves the formatting of text, including spaces and line breaks. It displays text in a fixed width font, making it ideal for code snippets or any text where formatting is important. Let's start live demonstration in Visual Studio Code to see how paragraph tag works. I'll create a new file called paragraph.html. Then, as usual, I'll use the emit abbreviation to generate the boilerplate code. Simultaneously, let's check the preview while coding. I'll update the title to HTML paragraph example since we are focusing on paragraph. Let's start by adding an heading. Let the heading be paragraph tag. Now let's add some paragraphs under this heading. This is the first paragraph. In HTML, we use p tag to add blocks of text. Paragraphs automatically have space before and after them, making them visually distinct from other elements like headings. Let's add another paragraph. Here's another paragraph. You can add as many paragraphs as you need to structure your content. Notice how each paragraph is separated with space in the browser. This is done automatically by HTML, so you don't need to add any extra line breaks for spacing. One important thing to remember about HTML is how it handles spaces and line breaks. Let me show you an example. Even if you add extra spaces or breaks in your code, the browser won't display them. It will still render the text as a single block. No matter how many spaces or line breaks we add, the browser collapses them into a single space. HTML is designed to automatically remove any unnecessary spaces and lines.